I want to welcome you to the 24 hours to getting prospects to call you wanting your services. All without complicated or costly strategies. I'm going to teach you this by showing you the #1 secret to getting prospects in your service area to call you, without spending thousands up front leaving you wondering if you'll ever see profits. So let me introduce myself. I am known as the go-to person for delivering a predictable stream of quality leads exclusively serving the local industry. Owner of the Stone Builders Rejected that's currently helping local business become more profitable through proprietary marketing strategies. For the past year I have become obsessed with how to deliver local business more customers. Spent hundreds of hours learning and testing many strategies. I have discovered only a few methods actually work. How this will be beneficial to you is that I will share the best method to getting you more customers, saving you time and money. Here's what you'll learn during this presentation. How to get more clients so you can grow your local business. How to structure your marketing budget without worrying about losing money so you can focus on you expanding your business. How to avoid outdated expensive marketing strategies so you can finally achieve the results you want without having to listen to another so-called marketing expert and wasting more money on techniques that don't work. The new way to get customers. Why this is important to you now. Most local business marketing techniques we've learned are dead wrong. The cost of marketing is going through the roof. In addition, the local space is getting more and more competitive. Finally, with the costs of traditional marketing increasing along with the rise of competition in your market space, I am sure you are witnessing your profits shrinking. If any of these are concerning you, we can help you. Is this for you? If you're spending long hours slaving away at your local business and investing a small fortune on marketing with little to no results, then this is for you. If you want to be satisfied knowing that your marketing dollars are helping you grow your business while working less, this is for you. If you're worried about the rising costs of marketing caused by increasing competition, this is for you because you're going to discover a profitable method to get 20 to 50 new customers per month that your competition does not know about. House rules. No get rich quick. No do nothing, get paid. You must offer excellent service. If you don't have a system to answer incoming phone calls, then I cannot help you. If you have weak sales skills to close interested prospects, then I cannot help you. Most businesses fail when they try new marketing techniques because they lack the ability to follow up with the leads and close them. What makes us different? Well, let's take a look at SEO versus us. SEO can take months to rank on page 1, vulnerable to Google's algorithm. But we can guarantee results in 24 hours, immediate positive ROI. Now let's compare Facebook ads versus us. FB ads are interruption marketing and you have to give a deep discounts to make it work. Our ads are not interruption marketing, meaning people are actively searching for your type of services. Interruption marketing, FB ads are good, we just get you there faster for less cost. Now let's take Google AdWords versus us. $42 cost per click times 5 clicks to equals $210 per call. We deliver a much lower cost per call. Diversify your income streams. If you had heart problems, who would you visit? You would see a heart specialist. We specialize in one thing, and that is delivering qualified calls from prospects in your service area looking for your services. Our business model is simple. We give busy local business exactly what they want, more customers. We deliver exclusive calls, never shared leads. There are no long-term contracts or commitments. We prefer to start slow, like a first date. We only charge per qualified call. So let's go over what are the difference. Well, a non-qualified call is a salesperson, someone looking for employment, prospect return calls, wrong number and out of service area. Qualified caller inquire about services, prices, etc. We deliver the calls, it's up to you to convert them into a customers. You have instant access to all incoming call data, phone number, time, and recording. We specialize in one thing. Delivering exclusive calls. No contracts. Start small. Never pay for wrong numbers, out of service area, prospects calling back. You only pay for people interested in your services. You have access to all call data, call ID, time, recordings. We don't just work with any local business. Like you, we only want to partner up with professionally operated businesses. Here are some basic characteristics we look for in a business partner. You must answer your phone, be good at converting prospects into customers, and must provide excellent service. Do we offer free leads to test our service out? No, but we do offer 100% money back guaranteed limited hash of leads, so we can only work with one local business in per zip codes. If you qualify, here is what you get: exclusive phone calls from prospects in your service area. Track all phone call data, caller ID, time, and recording. Never charged for wrong number, repeat callers, salespeople, or out of service area. No contracts. Start small with 10 calls delivered within 24 hours. 100% money back guarantee. We don't work with your competition. We require our partners to answer their phone during business hours, have experience in converting qualified prospects into customers, and provide excellent service to their customers. I'd like to welcome you in advance, so fill out the application below and let's get started.
Are you willing to partner up and get paid on a percentage of closed sales? No, we are in the business of delivering qualified calls, not partnering up with local businesses. We do price our qualified calls so both parties make a profit. Do you offer a free trial? No, but we do offer to start small. For example, with 10 calls. Recall, we offer a 100% money back guarantee. How do I know which phone calls are coming from you? You will be given access to check all call tracking online, including time of call, phone number, recording, and if the phone call was answered or not. Limited number of leads, so we can only work with one local business. We require our partners answer their phone during business hours, have experience in converting qualified prospects into customers, provide excellent service to their customers. Fill out application below.